Uchenna crouches over the generator for the 4th time, sweat cutting his neck. The pull cord snaps back. Nothing. Behind him, Obinna sawed spanners into a tin, watching his master's neck the way you watch a pot about to boil. The customer checks her wristwatch loudly, the clasp too sharp against the traffic. Onya, is it today? Uchenna's jaw tightens. His hand finds the wrench before his mind decides. He is not his father. He has told himself this every morning for 20 years. Every morning the tools test him. The generator holds its silence like a debt he cannot collect. Then, a shriek of laughter. The woman's slipper is gone. A goat has it, prancing between the corn basins, strap trailing like a trophy. Ndewo? No. I am Yvonne Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops, episode 120, week 24, day 5, Friday. Today, how your emotions shift with others. In Igbo households, a man's temper was never private weather. It moved through the compound, and everyone downwind learned to read the sky. Ka anyị bido? Let us begin. Obinna doesn't laugh often around Uchenna. Not since the shout that followed him home last year. This laugh is helpless, nowhere polite to go. The customer forgets her slipper, laughing too. Uchenna's wrench hand hangs mid-air, useless. A young goat learns to chew by watching its mother's mouth. Nobody teaches it. It simply watches. Uchenna straightens. The anger finds nowhere to land. Today, 3 sentences. Sentences that name what happens in your own body when someone else's mood reaches in and changes yours. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Abụghị m onye iwe ọkụ. In English, I am not a bad-tempered person. Abụghị m onye iwe ọkụ. Abụghị m onye iwe ọkụ. Abụghị m onye iwe ọkụ. Sentence 2. Ewela iwe maka obere ihe. In English, don't be angry over a small thing. Ewela iwe maka obere ihe. Ewela iwe maka obere ihe. Ewela iwe maka obere ihe. Sentence 3. Ihe ha mere tọrọ ya ọchị. In English, what they did made him laugh. Ihe ha mere tọrọ ya ọchị. Ihe ha mere tọrọ ya ọchị. Ihe ha mere tọrọ ya ọchị. These 3 sentences are in your free speaking workbook this week. Download it at learnibonow.com. Uchenna lowers the wrench and lets the laugh take him too. Shoulders first, then his voice, low and rusty. unused in a while. Obinna catches his eye, still laughing, and doesn't flinch. The corn seller chases her goat past them both, delighted at her own outrage. The generator behind them chooses that moment to spot her to life. There is a name for a man whose anger drops because someone near him could not help but be happy. Ọchị anaghị akwatu mmadụ, kama ọ bụ mmadụ na-ama ụma adara ọchị. Ọchị anaghị akwatu mmadụ, kama ọ bụ mmadụ na-ama ụma adara ọchị. Laughter does not push anyone down. Rather, it is someone that falls down on purpose because of laughter. Uchenna chose. In Onitsha, I watched apprentices learn more than trade. They learned how a temper is carried in public. Ode and colleagues, African Journal of Economics and Business Research, 2025, found Igbo apprentices absorb discipline through observation before touching the ledger. Japan's shokunin masters teach the same way. What Bandura named social learning theory in 1977, Igbo mentorship had already built in. If you want to practice these sentences with other families, with your children, the Igbo village speaking gym will soon be open. Before this day ends, say, Eweliwe maka obere ihe, the next time something small tries to take your peace. Not practice, declaration. The laughter you allow is the choosing Uchenna made. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. Ka obi gị dị jụụ. Ka obi gị dị jụụ, ka ọchị ndị ọzọ na-erute gị mgbe niile ị chọrọ ya. May your heart stay cool, and other people's laughter find you when you need it. Ka anyị hụ echi, until we meet again tomorrow.